Charles Darwin, one of the most influential figures in the history of science, whose groundbreaking work on evolution revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. Join us as we delve into the life, discoveries, and enduring legacy of the men who forever changed the way we view the natural world. Charles Robert Darwin was born on February 12, 1809, in Shrewsbury, England. He was the fifth of 6 children in a well-to-do family. His father, Robert Darwin, was a successful doctor, and his grandfather, Erasmus Darwin, was a renowned physician and natural philosopher. From a young age, Darwin showed a keen interest in nature. He loved exploring the countryside, collecting insects, and studying plants and animals. His early curiosity laid the foundation for his later work, even though his initial academic journey was anything but straightforward. Darwin began studying medicine at Edinburgh University but found the lectures dull and the surgeries distressing. He then switched to studying for the clergy at Cambridge University, where he developed a passion for natural history. It was here that Darwin was introduced to key figures like botanist John Stevens Henslow, who would play a crucial role in shaping his future. In 1831, at the age of 22, Darwin embarked on a voyage that would change his life, and the course of science, forever. He joined the HMS Beagle as a naturalist on a 5-year expedition to survey the coastlines of South America and beyond. This journey would provide Darwin with the observations and insights that would later form the basis of his theory of evolution. During the voyage, Darwin meticulously collected specimens, took detailed notes, and made observations about the diversity of life he encountered. The Galapagos Islands, in particular, left a lasting impression on him. The unique species he found there, like the famous finches, sparked his thinking about how species might change over time. Upon his return to England in 1836, Darwin began to piece together his observations, leading him to question the prevailing view that species were immutable. He spent the next 2 decades refining his ideas, gathering more evidence, and corresponding with other scientists. Darwin's theory of natural selection, a process by which species adapt to their environment over time through the gradual accumulation of small, heritable changes, was revolutionary. Yet, Darwin hesitated to publish his findings, knowing they would challenge the deeply held beliefs of his time. In 1859, Darwin finally published On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. The book was an immediate success, sparking widespread debate and controversy. Darwin's theory suggested that all life on Earth was connected and had evolved over millions of years from common ancestors, a radical departure from the creationist view that had dominated Western thought. The idea that species were not fixed but could change over time was both fascinating and unsettling to many. However, as more evidence was gathered, Darwin's theory gained acceptance within the scientific community, laying the groundwork for modern biology. In his later years, Darwin continued to conduct experiments and publish books on various topics, including human evolution, emotions in animals, and the role of earthworms in soil formation. Despite his ongoing health struggles, he remained dedicated to his work until his death on April 19, 1882. Darwin's later works expanded on his ideas and explored the implications of his theory of evolution. He became one of the most respected scientists of his time, and his contributions to biology and natural history remain unparalleled. Charles Darwin's impact on science is immeasurable. His theory of evolution by natural selection has become one of the fundamental principles of biology, influencing not only science but also philosophy, theology, and the way we understand our place in the natural world. Today, Darwin's ideas continue to be tested, expanded, and applied in fields ranging from genetics to ecology. The tree of life, a concept that Darwin popularized, remains a powerful metaphor for the interconnectedness of all living things. Charles Darwin was more than just a scientist, he was a visionary thinker who challenged the status quo and fundamentally changed the way we see the world. His theory of evolution by natural selection remains one of the most profound and influential ideas in the history of science. If you enjoyed this exploration of Charles Darwin's life and legacy, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the lives of history's greatest thinkers and scientists. Who would you like to learn about next? Share your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.